Hello and welcome to another episode. Today is the actual day that Kia has ended support for the Kia Connect app. So they've actually forced you to upgrade to the Kia app now. So there was a new update that came out this morning on my Android, and there's also one on iOS. If you install that, you've got no way out of it but to upgrade to the Kia app. If you try and use it without upgrading in the old fashion, it warns you that you must upgrade with a weird message. And there's also a new version of the Kia app out today for Android and iOS. So as I say, I tried running the old version of Kia Connect on my iPad that also forces you to upgrade with the message update to latest version. Service use is restricted for Kia Connect versions 4 and below. I don't know what version 4 is because ours was always 2 point something. In order to use the same services as before updating to the latest version of required, click OK below to check and install the latest version. And then you get an update to Kia Connect, and then it won't let you go any further but to update. So it lies. This also happens on Android, I think. So Kia Connect is now officially finished after 4 years, it would seem, and you can't use the old version. As far as I can tell, it replaced Uvo, which was the previous app back in 2021. I remember this happening when I had my eNero. Kia Connect ran on old infrastructure and different data centers from the new Kia app, so I guess they can save money by getting rid of it, and that's probably what's driving this. Also today, updated versions of the new Kia app were released for iOS and Android that bring iOS up to version 1.0.13 and the Android version up to 1.0.16. As for what's changed in the new Kia app version, the Android odometer bug seems to have finally been fixed and now matches the car and iOS. Graphics for charging, stop and start charging buttons have been updated. The iOS version of the app shows range to 1 decimal place, as you can see in the image, but the Android version doesn't. It also shows the same on the control screen, so I don't know whether that's a feature or a bug, or whether or not it'll come to the Android version. Under vehicle charging, you still can't find any Ionity chargers, so that bug still remains and it's been reported, and Kia sent a message out about it last week. Under vehicle My Trips EV usage, average energy and recuperation still show in kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, not miles. If you've been forced into using the new Kia app, I've done quite a few videos on the new app that might find useful. When the Kia app was first released, I did an overview called All About the New Kia app. I will put links to all of these videos above. I also did several hints and tips videos for the new Kia app. So part 1 was called Tips on How to Use the new Kia app, Where's Everything Gone, part 1. Part 2 was EU UK New Kia app Tips and Tricks, part 2. And part 3 was just called Kia app Tips and Tricks, part 3. So I'm not very consistent. I've also created a YouTube playlist of all 4 videos, and that link is also above, so you can click directly on them. Anyway, if you spot anything else in the new app that's changed and that I've not spotted, please let me know. If you've seen any new or fresh bugs, again, please let me know in the comments. Any questions, please let me know in the comments. Hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching.